Thank you for joining us for Thrive or Survive. And thank you for prioritising you. For those of you who don't know me, just call me Sheren Gaulbert. If you're feeling demotivated, if you're feeling like you can't connect quite as well, you are in the right place. Mistakes are opportunities to learn. They are the portals of discovery. We tend to focus on challenging stuff and miss the other stuff. What might happen if we retune things? What is currently challenging for you? This is what matters. All the things you can see about that you that is improved, that is changed, that is for the better. My coaching mentoring experience goes back decades. We are looking for that first small step towards this vision. That's why you're here. Power is back to you here. You matter. You're good at compassion. You give it in the work that you do, but it starts with self-compassion. It's got to start with you.